Let's start. The project name is Toast Position. Let's see the project structure. Here we have a main activity. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of main activity. Let's see the UI. Here we have a button with Show Toast as the text. Let's see the code. Here, the constraint layout is the root layout. And this is the button. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. This is the data member of the class. In the onCreate function, first we set the onClick listener of the button. Inside the onClick function, we have created 3 toasts. First, we create this toast with top as the text. Then we set its gravity to top. Next, we create this toast with center as the text. Then we set its gravity to center. And at last, we create this toast with bottom as the text. And we set its gravity to bottom. Now, let's run the app. As you can see, when I click the button, 1 toast is shown at the top of the screen, 1 is shown at the center of the screen, and 1 is shown at the bottom of the screen. Let's see this again. So that's it. That's how you can set the position of a toast in Java Android. Thanks for watching.